Section 1. Step-by-step instruction. Form 1. Inya Tiaoshui Zhanqi Fei, silver duck diving and spreading wings. Stand at attention in a feet-together stance, bending both knees. Touch the ground with your toes, letting both arms hang naturally. Sink your chi to the dantian, then vigorously push off the ground with your toes. Leap into the air, fully extending and pointing your feet. Slap your insteps with both hands, making an audible slap in midair. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration. Form 2. Inya Shuamian Huangdo Peng, silver duck shaking wings on water.